Here's a quick trick to help you remember what to do if you get stung by a bee or a wasp. Back wall. Now, bee stings are acidic, whereas wasp stings are alkaline. So that's going to help us remember how to treat our stings. If you've been stung by a bee, which is acidic, you need to apply an alkaline to neutralize that sting. So you can apply something like toothpaste or baking soda to help that sting stop hurting. If you've been stung by a wasp and wasp stings are alkaline, you're going to need to apply an acid to neutralize that sting. So for example, you could apply some lemon juice or some vinegar to help you recover from a wasp sting. Now, what if you can't tell what you've been stung by? Well, I'm afraid I can't help you there. Follow me for more biology content like this.